Peace, blessing, and mercy be upon you, my dear sons, grade 6H. Welcome for new chapter. Okay, we are in chapter 6. Show what you know. Before we start the first lesson in chapter 6, I want you to show me your skills in some questions, right? Here in question 1, I want all of you focus, as always, have a good focusing. Look at your screen, put your chin up, your eyes up, and read with me. Circle the more reasonable unit. Circle the more reasonable unit to measure the object. To measure the object. Here, in question 1, he says, the length of a car. What should I choose to know the length of a car? Inches or feet? Inches or feet? Okay, I'm waiting your answers in the chat box to see your thinking and your skills. Okay? Right now, please, quickly. Okay, Muhammad Salah answered. Muhammad Rida answered. Okay. Ali. Hassan. Ahmed, please, Ahmed, only one answer, enough. Let me see your classmates' answer. Don't write many answers. Okay, Hassan. Talib. All right. So, guys, for me, the correct answer is feet. If you choose feet, you are right. Okay? If you choose inches, inches for small things. Okay? Like your pen, your notebook, your phone length, okay? Your bottle length, right? So we are going to use inches for small things, but feet for things bigger a little bit, okay? Like cars, like your desk, right? Your sofa that you are sitting on. Okay, question 2. The length of a soccer field, football playground. I'm waiting your answer in the chat box quickly, please. Which one is correct for me and for you? Meters or kilometers? Meters or kilometers? Wait, please. Yeah, Talib answered, and some of you I didn't see from the beginning here. Only one answer, please. I said Ahmed and Talib. Okay, okay. Safe, okay. Muhammad, Rida, okay. Ali, okay. Muhammad Salah. Muhammad Salah, you still where? I said meters or kilometers? Meters or kilometers? Okay, Saud. Okay, Muhammad. Saleh. Who else? Please, all of you share with me. Answer with me. Naif. Muhammad Al-Hashim, please share with me. Muhammad Yassin. The correct answer is, the correct answer is, shall I say? Yes, say, teacher. Meters. Meters, okay? Meters for playground, okay? For your room, your house garden, and kilometers for big distance between two cities, for example, okay? The distance between Mecca and Medina, we're going to use kilometers. If you use kilometers, you can use it between your house and your school, okay? Between long and big distance, but meters for small thing, a little bit like our rooms, okay? Our playground, our gardens. Okay, question 3, multiply and divide by 10, 100, and 1000. Use your mental math. I'm waiting the first answer in question 3. Question 3. 2 and 51/100 times 10. So the answer is, good job Hassan, good job Taim. Muhammad Rida, okay, good job. Ahmed, excellent. Saif, try again. Okay, Muhammad Salah, okay. Saud, okay. Ali Yusuf, okay. The correct answer, Saif, Muhammad Zaki, okay. The correct answer, we're going to move the decimal point after 1 place because I'm multiplying by 10. So 2, 5, decimal point here, then 1. 25 and 1/10. What about question 4 answer? I'm waiting your answer for question 4. Question 4. Okay. Excellent, Ahmed. Abdulaziz, try again, please. Talib, good job. Saud, good job. Muhammad Rida, good job. What else? Safe. Okay, good. We're going to move the decimal point after how many places? 1, 2. So 2 places I need. I need here 2 places. Okay, so I just have only 1. What should I do after that? Sorry about that, guys. Okay, I want 2 places, 1, 2. What should I do? So write 5 in her place, 3 in its place, then 0, and move the decimal point between 5 and 3 after the 0 here. So the answer is 530. Okay, Abdulaziz, for question 5, you're right. Hassan, you're right. Safe, try again, please. You put 2 zeros. Ahmed, you're right. Where is Ahmed Ashraf sharing? Ahmed Ashraf participating. Ilyas, participate with us, Ilyas. Faris, Muhammad Zaki, answer with us, please. Write the answer in the chat box. Good job, Saif. Good job, Ali. Good job, Tay.
Yes, Mr.
Answer the question here, Muhammad.
For number 4, Mr.
Number 5. We are in number 5, Muhammad. We finished number 4.
Okay, Mr.
Abdulaziz, wait for question 6. Wait. The answer in question 5 is...
Mr. Wait, I will type.
Okay.
I like it, Mr.
Yes, that's right. I'm gonna move the decimal point after 3 places. After what? 3 places. 1, 2, and I don't have the third one. What should I do? So 7 in her place, 1, and I need the third one, 0. The decimal point outside, 710. Excellent, most of you. Hassan and Abdulaziz answer for question 6, right. I have seen your answer. Muhammad Rida, right. Muhammad Salah, right. We're going to move the decimal point to the left-hand side right now because we are dividing by 10. How many places should I move it? Only 1. Good job, Saud. Good job, Ali, Yusuf. So the decimal point before 3 here, 2, 5. I want you to put 0, and all of you, put 0. Excellent. 0 and 325 thousandths. Question 7. Question 7. Excellent, most of you right. MashaAllah, great job. You're remembering your skills is good in that lesson. Excellent, Abdulaziz. So the answer here, I'm going to move that decimal point after 2 places, after 8 and after another number. I don't have another number here, so I'm gonna put 8, 0, right? Here the decimal point and 6 in her place, 5 in its place. What should I put before the decimal point? 0 to complete your answer. 0 and 865 10,000s. Okay, what about question 8? Question 8, I'm waiting. Question 8, Muhammad Salah. Right. Ali Yusuf, right. Abdulaziz, try again, Abdulaziz. Maybe you were faster when you write this. When you type this, you were faster. Okay, Naif, answer please, Naif. Ahmed, Muhammad Rida, Talib, take care, Talib. 3 places. How many places should you move the decimal point to the left after 3 digits? 1, 2, and you don't have the third. The third here should be 0. 5, 6, 2. Don't count 2 with them. Okay? After 6, 1. Second number 5. The third number 0, and the decimal point after this. Excellent, my dear student. Okay, so we finished. Your skills here show what you know. Most of you have the good information about this chapter before we start. Excellent. I'm proud of you guys. So let's get started. Question number, or the lesson number 1, lesson 6.1. Lesson 6.1. Before we go to lesson 6.1, please listen to me very well. You have share and show information in Think Central. Okay, so open it and solve it. Okay, today you must open it and solve it, right? Do you understand? Do you understand, my dear students? I have sent you
No,
Do we do it right now?
chapter 6. Not right now, please, because we revised here. I want you to solve it by yourself, okay, when we finish our today.
Teacher,
I
you
did
put
this.
for us
Mister, can I go to the bathroom?
in
Quickly
Classera.
go and come, okay?
Mister, what we will do now?
Teacher,
What
you
program?
put for us something in Classera. I mean, on Think Central
Yeah, I put
to
it.
do.
Yeah, of course I put it. Okay, chapter
Mister,
6,
I did
the
it.
title
Mister,
of your
I did it.
homework, the title, okay, ya Abdulaziz, the title of today's homework, chapter 6, share and show, okay? And the due date is 10th January, okay? 10th, the first month is January. So let us start our first lesson here, guys. Lesson 6.1. Lesson 6.1. Okay, what is the title? The title is Convert Units of Length. Okay, convert units of length. Right? Our essential question: how can you use ratio reasoning to convert it from one unit of length to another unit? All of you, you must know customary units of length. This schedule is important for you. It helps you to find the answer. It helps you to convert from one unit to another, okay? So you must remember. Please write on remember. What should I remember, teacher? Remember this, one foot, okay, equals how many inches? 12. Okay, 1 yard equals how many inches? 36 inches. 1 yard equals how many feet? How many feet? 3. Okay, 3 feet. Right? Okay, 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. Do you see? Because mile is bigger than feet, bigger than inches, bigger than anyone, bigger than yard, of course. 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. Okay. Okay. Look, guys, what should I call the number 12 here? What should I call that number 36. What should I call the number 3? Okay. What should I call 5,280? What should I call 1,760? They are
unit of length.
what?
1 mile.
Look,
Length.
they are what?
Conversion fraction.
Conversion factors. Okay. I'm talking about all of them, so I put as conversion factors, right? We're gonna use these conversion factors to convert from one unit to another. Okay? Okay? So here, guys, please underline with me this sentence. You can multiply by an appropriate conversion factor to convert between units, right? How? This is my job. I'm going to show you, unlock the problem. Here in this problem, focus with me, please. In a soccer game, as you see, this team or this
Sir, what do we
is playing football, okay? So in a soccer game, Kale scored a goal. Kale scored a goal. Kale was 33 feet from the goal. He scored a goal when he was 33 feet from the goal. The question is, how?
Sir, I have a question. What do we underline?
Here in that unlock the problem,
Okay.
you must to underline here up the conversion factors, okay? And you can multiply by an appropriate conversion factor to convert between two units, right? This table I want you to remember, okay? Revise it. Take care. Let's see. Here, we want to convert. The question is, how many yards? How many yards from the goal was he? So he wants me to convert 33 feet. In the question, Kale was 33 feet from the goal. So he wants me to convert 33 feet to yards. I want to convert it from feet to yards. First step, let us understand teacher Muhammad way, okay? And write with me here. First step, or step 1.
Mister, I will use my copybook, okay?
Write the units. Okay, Talib. Write the units that you want convert from feet to yard. This is the first step, from feet to yard. Okay? Ask yourself, which one is small and which one is big? Which one is bigger than the other? Feet.
Sir, feet is greater than yard.
Feet is greater than yard.
No, no, teacher.
Yes.
Yard is bigger.
Yard is bigger.
Yard is
How do you know from this table? Look, 1
Teacher,
yard.
I think it's 11 yards.
3 feet.
Teacher, I think it's 11 yards.
Me too, I think
Answer, it's
11 yards.
Okay. So
11 yards.
33 multiply 11 equals 33.
okay, so let me write here first. In the first step, I said, step 1, write the units you want to convert from feet to yard, and write here small, okay, to big. When you want to convert it from a small unit to big unit, move to step 2. Step 2 says what? Says divide. Divide. Divide by what? Divide by the conversion number or factor. Conversion factor. What is the factor between feet and yard from the table? Okay, what should I divide by? What should I divide the number of feet by? Because I'm going to convert it from small to big. Small unit to big unit. The conversion number here between yard and feet, look, this is the conversion number between yard and feet, 3. So I need to divide by 3. I need to divide by what? By 3. So take 33 feet divided by the conversion number or the conversion factor, 3, equals how many yards right now? Equals 11, right? So your book said that he multiplied by 1/3. 1/3, the same thing. So here, this fraction means division, okay? So 33 divided by 3 down, the answer is 11. So Kale was 11 yards from the goal, okay? Do you understand, my dear students, the first question?
Mr.
Yes,
Yes.
it is easy.
Mr.
Salah has a
Mr.
question.
We always divide by 3, Mr.
We always divide by 3 between feet and yard because the relationship here,
Why?
1 yard equals 3 feet. If
Teacher, but we want to see an example with big numbers.
so,
We want to see an example with big numbers.
inshallah, we're going to use big numbers, but listen to me step by step to understand everything. Have you finished your handwriting here? Have you finished your first step, your second
Yes.
step?
Yes.
Yes. Sir, I didn't.
Okay, quickly, please. And remember yourself. First step, write the units. Small to big or big to small. This is important for us. Small to big, divide.
Mister,
Divide. Okay, Alia.
do we have Kahoot this week?
Inshallah, I'll try. I wrote this in the weekly plan. So we're going to revise through Kahoot, inshallah. Have you finished? Have you finished?
Yes.
All of you
Yes,
have you finished?
Mister, we have finished.
Mister, if we can mile to yard, we multiply it by 3, yes?
What is this, guys? Mile, the big one.
Mile,
Miles,
yard,
yards,
feet.
feet, and
No.
inches.
Mister, I know it.
Inch. Look, from mile to yard, what should I multiply by?
Multiply by
1,100.
1,760.
I have an
Mister,
important
from
question.
yard to feet, multiply 3. Multiply 3.
Yes, yes. Let me ask one of you, according to your hand raising here, Ali. Why should I multiply? Why should I multiply?
Because when we multiply by 1, it is equal to 1,760
Because I have a big, okay, a
number
unit, a big unit, here unit,
units.
mile, a big unit to small, to a small unit. Okay, yard. Yard is smaller.
Okay.
This is your answer should. Why should I multiply from mile to yard? Because mile is bigger than yard. Okay.
Okay.
When you convert it from yard to mile, can you see? You must divide.
Yes.
Small to big, you must divide. Right? So do you understand?
Like yes, if we want to make the a bigger unit, we should multiply. If we want to make it a small unit, we should divide.
Excellent explanation. Thank you, Ali. Right. Let us see here from yard to feet. From yard to feet, I should multiply by 3. Do you understand, Time? Your turn right now. So, Time, when I convert it from feet to yard, what should I do?
Yes. I divide by 3.
Good job. Thank you. Muhammad, when I convert it from feet to inches, what should I do?
From feet, Mister, from feet to inch, we multiply by 12. From feet to inch, again, we will divide this by 12.
Excellent. That's Right. So let us complete the unlock problem here. How many inches from the goal was Kale? How many inches? He asked me about inches. And the boy was 33 feet. Am I right? So step one, write feet. And the other unit you want to convert here, inches. So from feet to inches, what should you do? What should you do? Feet is a big unit. And inches, I think small unit. Am I right? What should I do from big to small? Divide or multiply? I'm gonna ask Hassan. Hassan, what should I do?
Yes, teacher.
You have
We should multiply.
excellent. Multiply. Multiply by what? What is the conversion factor between feet and inches? How many inches in 1 feet?
12.
Yeah, 12. That's right. From where you got this? From the table that we have studied here. You see? You see, guys? He said 12. He said 12 because 1 foot equals 12 inches, right? So we should to multiply by 12. 33 feet multiplied by 12. The answer is,
Teacher, 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. And 3 multiplied by 1 equals 36
no.
plus 0 plus 0, and it will be 30. 36 and 30.
Look, 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6.
Oh,
and
yes,
1
yes,
multiplied
teacher.
by 3 equals 6. Plus 0 and 1 multiply 3 equals 3. 1 multiply 3 again equals 3. Add them together.
0 plus 6 equals 6. 6 plus 3 equals 9, and 3.
So the answer is
396
396 what?
inches.
Yes, so 33 feet equals 396 inches. Okay, so is it difficult, guys? I think
No.
it's easy lesson. Am I right? The same
Yes.
for meters and kilometers and centimeter, decimeter, as you see here. Look, guys, how can I convert it from unit to another? How can I convert it from a unit here to another, right? Look, you can use a similar process to convert metric units. This is metric units table. As you see, metric units of length. Of what? Of length. Okay? Metric units are used throughout most of the world. Throughout most of the world. One advantage of using metric unit system is that the units are related by powers of 10. Okay, so this table easier than the first table. How? Let me write the table by organized way. Look at my organized way, guys, down. Please write here, remember, write them in your what? Notebook, and remember them because we're going to use them tomorrow, inshallah, to complete that lesson. Kilometer, hectometer, decameters, decimeters, centimeters, millimeters. Okay, the small thing is millimeters. The big one, the biggest one is kilometer. Okay, from kilometer to hectometer. Okay, what should I do? Multiply by 10 because kilometer is greater than hectometer. Okay, from hectometer to decameters, I should to multiply by 10. Okay, if you convert between hecto and deca. Okay, from deca to dc, you should to multiply by 10. Okay, I have a important question right now. From kilo to DC, right? What should I multiply by if I want to convert it from here to here? Write me, please, the answer in the chat box quickly. If I want to convert it from kilo to DC, what should I multiply by? All right, my dear students, tomorrow, inshallah, we're going to complete our today's lesson, and we're going to see your answers here because we have finished the time. Assalamu alaikum. Where is your homework? Don't forget the homework, share and show in on Think Central. Bye.